How can you be a YouTube star?
Take effing action, put it together, and subscribe to Tom Peng's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
I think YouTube has done a lot of great things for me. I started this YouTube channel, again, not to make money or not to be famous. Those are not the goals I had when I started this channel. I talked about this already. I started this channel because I really wanted to find a way to communicate with my fucktard employees. You know, the people that won't listen, they don't understand. And I think maybe it's because they don't understand English, we can't communicate. So I created this channel so that I can reach my employees. You know, I can make videos with subtitles, people can read them, they will understand what I say. And, you know, that's supposed to help, you know, my employees communicate with me, right? That was my primary goal. That was my only goal, in fact, when I created this YouTube channel. But it turns out that this has become an extremely effective personal branding platform. And not only that, it's helped my business tremendously. We have a lot of candidates that interview our company because of this YouTube channel, and a lot of them become employees, and they're super motivated, they're very driven, they work super hard. You know, we have people in the sales team that become our salespeople just because they saw my YouTube channel, they saw my TikTok channel, and you know, they really like the things that I said about sales and other things, and they want to be part of it. And in fact, we have customers. You know, this channel has actually generated customers. People are buying our products because of this channel. So, and we're growing continuously, we're growing rapidly. Right now we're over 6,000 subscribers. I said 1 million in 1 year. I still think I can do it. And there are a few tricks we're gonna do. We're gonna create even more exciting content. We're gonna launch a, you know, an English channel. We're gonna go to a second market, maybe Philippines, maybe Malaysia, maybe both. You know, so we are, you know, gonna expand this channel even more. And we're gonna hit that 1 million subscriber mark. You'll see. So obviously YouTube is very effective, right? Because people watch YouTube, and if you have a channel that people watch, that people really, you know, like and enjoy and care about, then it's a great platform for you to sell your products, your services, your know-how. You know, you can be considered an expert. You know, just like, you know, hey, I'm kind of considered as an expert in business just because I have this channel. Yes, I am an expert, and I'm sharing that knowledge, and now people acknowledge me as an expert, right? Because if I don't tell people, people don't know. But once I start teaching people, telling people, people will consider you or me as the expert, right? So YouTube is a very effective platform for building your personal brand, for building your product brand. It also helps you establish your authority, right? So that people see you as the authority, that you're the expert and you know what you're talking about, so they want to do business with you, or they want to work for you, or whatever. So, right? So YouTube is good. So how can you start a channel? And I can tell you this, when I started this channel, I knew nothing. All I had is an idea. Most people, when they say, I want to do TikTok, I want to do YouTube, that's where they stop. They just have an idea. They never take any fucking action. Oh, I'm gonna use TikTok to drive, you know, go free subscription. The end. They just have an idea. They take no fucking action. Right? Oh, I'm gonna build a YouTube channel to teach people how to fix cars. Okay. Nothing happens because they just have the idea, but they take no fucking action. So very first step, if you want to build a YouTube channel, you have to take fucking action. You cannot stay at an idea stage, because ideas don't do shit. Ideas don't create a YouTube channel. Ideas don't help you sell products. Ideas don't help you build your business. Ideas don't communicate to people about your expertise, right? So it's very important. If you want to do a YouTube channel, then it has to be more than just an idea. You have to take fucking action. So first, figure out what kind of channel you want to do. Maybe it's a channel about fixing cars. Maybe it's a channel about building boats. There's a friend that I have that builds boats. She should be starting a channel about how to build boats, how to fix boats. Then he'll be considered an expert in the field, right? And people will buy boats from him, for example, right? Decide what you want to do, and then start making it, start doing it. Stop this fucking, analysis paralysis. Oh yeah, but I need to buy this and that. I need to have cameras. I need to have cameramen. I need marketing people, right? And start over analyzing everything. Because really, to create a YouTube channel, all you need is you and a fucking phone. Your first video should be like this. Hello, my name is Tom. I'm gonna create a channel about, right? So, you start talking to your camera and you start recording it, right? And I can guarantee you that your first video is gonna be complete shit, all right? Just like my first video was complete shit. You can go to the videos and you can go to the bottom, you can find the oldest video I have. It's complete shit, right? Basically, I was like, I think the first video I made was about how to start a business with no money. I was like, how to start business with no money. Right? And I was thinking a long time, I don't know what to say next. And you know what? But I don't have that problem now, because after almost 250 videos, I feel very comfortable in, being in front of a camera and just say whatever comes to my mind, right? And this is really easy for me now. It's like, it takes me no time. It really, if my video is 14 minutes, it takes me 15 minutes to make it. Really. Not a lot of time. It's very easy to make these videos, but you have to go through the repetition. You must make one video after another video, after another video, after another video, after another video, after another video. The more you make, the better you get. And then eventually, you'll be like me. You'll be in front of the camera and just saying whatever that comes to your mind. It'll just flow very, very smoothly. And then your video editor will love you because they don't have to edit as much, right? Practice makes perfect. Repetition is the key to mastery, right? You repeat until you're an expert. You're a master at what you do, including, becoming a YouTube star, right? So the most important thing that you need to do is take fucking action. Have an idea, take fucking action, and just start talking to your phone and record it. Even if it's shit, you upload to YouTube. And then you make the next one. 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 And then, after 250 videos, you'll be smooth as shit. All right? So do that. And that is really the key to become a YouTube star. You see, it's really hard for me to do this channel because I speak English, and most people in Vietnam don't speak English, right? I need subtitles, and most people don't want to read subtitles because they're fucking lazy bums, right? And so it's really hard for me to grow this channel given that, this is an English channel and I'm trying to target Vietnamese. I already started with a very difficult problem, right? It's easy for you because you speak Vietnamese. It's easy for you to build a channel, right? You can do it. It's whether you want to or not, whether you take fucking action or you don't take fucking action, right? The other tip I can offer you is that don't script your videos. So, people tend to overanalyze, right? So, if I need to make a video, first I need to I have to write down what I have to say. Well, maybe that's a good idea, but only the key points. You don't want to write down word for word what you want to say, in a video, because one, that will take a lot of time. You have to write everything out. You have to memorize it, and then you have to go in front of a camera and do it, and perform it. Then that will take you hours to make one video. So you want to get to a point where you can speak in front of a camera without script. Nothing I say in front of the camera or any of my videos is scripted. Everything in my videos are coming straight from my brain to my mouth. Uncensored, unfiltered, no script, right? You want to get to a point where you can do that. Then it'll be very easy for you to make videos. Just like it's very easy for me to make videos now. And you want to make as many as possible, right? Especially when you launch a YouTube channel, right? Nobody's going to watch it. Because remember, there's a lot of competition. A lot of competition in YouTube now. I think it was like 3,000 hours of videos being created every hour. It's ridiculous. Like, there's so much content. Nobody's gonna find you, right? You're not gonna be in the search results. They will never find you. In fact, you will upload your first video and you'll find out nobody watched it. Like, you have view of 1 and that's you. You watched it 1 time, right? So the other thing you wanna do when you start out is that you wanna get some audience. You wanna ask your mom, your dad, your friends, your girlfriends, your ex-girlfriends, your boss, your neighbors to watch your videos. You have to go, hey, come watch my video, send them the link in yellow, whatever, make them watch it, right? And hopefully the content is good and maybe they share, right? And then you have to build initial traction like that. Otherwise, it will never take off because YouTube will not recommend your video unless people are watching it. If nobody watches your video, YouTube will not recommend it to anyone else. So you'll always end up with videos with an audience of you, right? So you want to have some initial audience for your videos. They start watching your videos and then YouTube think, hey, this video probably is pretty good. I'm talking about the computer, not like somebody in YouTube. There's an algorithm. There's like, they calculate, hey, somebody's watching this video, so maybe we can recommend it more to more people. And they recommend a little bit, to more people. And then if they watch it, and they will recommend even more. So the more people watch, the more they will recommend. So that's how YouTube works. So you gotta start your channel with some initial traction by asking the people to watch it. And lucky for me, I have a lot of employees that watch my channels, right? So I have some natural, organic, audience. So that helped a little bit in the beginning. So I will stop here, but the key points here are, so if you really want to start a YouTube channel, which can actually really help you in your business, in, branding of your expertise, right? First, you gotta have an idea. 2, you gotta take fucking action. Don't just have an idea and do nothing, right? Take fucking action. And 3, get in front of the camera and start recording. And doesn't matter if the quality is bad, just keep on doing it because over time, the quality will get better and better and better. And invite a lot of your friends, family, watch your videos so that YouTube thinks that video is worth other people to watch it. And then your videos will start to spread. But I can tell you that process is very, very slow because there's so much videos on YouTube. So YouTube will not recommend your videos until they feel that there's a lot of traction. All right? Take fucking action, and I know you can do it. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So take fucking action, start a YouTube channel, and don't be a fucktard.